Many owl species are monogamous, forming long-term pairs. Owls are generally solitary creatures outside of breeding season. The great horned owl is known for its deep hoots and tufts that look like ears. Some owls mimic snakes when threatened, hissing and puffing up. Owls' legs are longer than they appear due to feather coverage. Owls can hunt in total darkness using only sound.
In a gentle hum, stories of the old and the times to come. Our hands meet the drums in a sacred.
Burrowing owls often live in prairie dog holes. Owls' facial discs act like satellite dishes, focusing sound to their ears. Owl populations are threatened by habitat loss and rodenticides. Some owls, like the burrowing owl, nest on the ground. They cannot move their eyes. That's why they turn their heads. Some owls can eat prey heavier than themselves. Owls can live for over 20 years in the wild, depending on species. The long-eared owl has excellent camouflage and is hard to spot in the wild. Owlets grow quickly and can fledge in a few weeks. Owls belong to the order Strigiformes. There are over 250 species of owls worldwide. In many cultures, owls are seen as protective spirits. Owls are found on every continent except Antarctica. Owls' feathers are so soft, they make almost no noise in flight. Owls are one of the few birds that can look directly backward. Owls have been around for about 60 million years. Fossils show that some extinct owls were as large as eagles.
An owl's feathers are designed for silent flight.
Owls have asymmetrical ears, allowing them to pinpoint sound more accurately.
They swallow prey whole and later regurgitate indigestible parts as pellets.
Their eyes are tube-shaped, not spherical, and are held in place by bones. They can hear prey under snow or leaves, thanks to their sensitive hearing. Owls can vomit and eat again if food isn't digested properly. Owls have binocular vision, giving them excellent depth perception.
The leading edges of their wings have serrations that break up air turbulence. A group of owls is called a parliament. Some owls, like the elf owl, are tiny, only about 5 inches tall.
Owls continue to inspire art, mythology, and science around the world.
Feel the beat, feel the fire in your veins.
Owl pellets contain bones, fur, feathers, and insect parts.
Beneath the moon where shadows creep,
Most owls are nocturnal, meaning they're active at night.
dark shall keep. In whispers low the night shall sing a song.
Young owls sometimes branch, leaving the nest before they can fly to explore nearby limbs. An owl's head can rotate up to 270 degrees.
The riverside, the stars are cold, they light the light.
Owls rely more on hearing than vision in total darkness.
Leaves have turned to dust, yet still I wonder, still
The short-eared owl hunts during the day and is often seen in open grasslands.
Deep embrace my soul, consume the light and make me whole.
Owls can migrate, but most are year-round residents.
Mournful tune, in shadows deep beneath.
Some owls cache prey in tree holes or under snow for later.
A phantom call
The barn owl is known for its ghostly white face and eerie screech.
like wind, a hollow moan. The trees they bow, the winds they wail.
Owls have 3 eyelids, one for blinking, one for sleeping, and one for cleaning.
Is long, the heart is weak. The words are gone, no tongue to speak. Yet in
The snowy owl is native to Arctic regions and can be active during the day.
fleeting hope through sorrow's chains. Oh, shadows deep embrace my soul, consume.
Owls can be diurnal, day active, nocturnal, or crepuscular, active at dawn and dusk.
A mournful tune, in shadows deep beneath the moon.
The spectacled owl of Central and South America has white markings that look like glasses.
Beneath the moon, where shadows
The Eurasian eagle owl is one of the largest, with a wingspan of over 6 feet.
silent vow, the dark shall keep in whispers low.
Owls have a low wing loading, meaning large wings relative to body weight, perfect for gliding.
A song of loss, a broken wing. The earth it groans, the river.
Owls' facial discs can change shape slightly to focus sound more precisely.
Old, they light the light. A thousand dreams have turned to dust.
Many owls are territorial and will defend their nesting areas fiercely.
I trust. Oh, shadows deep embrace my soul.
Owls are carnivores, feeding mostly on rodents, insects, and small birds.
Make me whole. The echoes hum.
Owls don't have a crop, a storage sac found in many other birds.
In shadows
Some owl species can change color with the seasons, like the snowy owl.
From ancient stone, its voice like wind.
The African Scops owl can mimic the shape of a tree branch when hiding.
They bow, the winds they wail.
Female owls are often larger than males, a trait called reverse sexual dimorphism.
The night is long, the heart is weak, the words are gone, no tongue to speak.
Most owls are ambush predators, patiently waiting before striking.
A fleeting hope through sorrow's chains. Oh, shadows deep,
Most owls have camouflaged feathers that help them blend into trees.
consume the light and make me whole. The
Baby owls are called owlets.
mournful tune in shadows deep.
In ancient Greece, owls were sacred to Athena, goddess of wisdom. Owls see in shades of grey at night, not color. The fluffy down feathers of owls provide insulation and silence.
Here we gather round, feet to the earth where the spirits are found. The moon whispers secrets to the darkened sky. We dance.
Owls' talons are zygodactyl, meaning 2 toes face forward and 2 backward, great for gripping.
Those echo through the hills and plains. Voices rise with the stars up above. Under the baobab tree, we sing of love.
The northern hawk owl hunts by sight and is active during the day.
The river speaks in a gentle hum, stories of the old and the times to come. Our hands meet the drums in a sacred.
In many owl species, the female does the incubating while the male hunts.
Feel the beat, feel the fire in your veins. Bongos echo through the hills and plains. Voices
Owl feathers are not waterproof, so they avoid flying in heavy rain.
baobab tree, sing of love.
The great gray owl is one of the tallest owl species, but not the heaviest.
Remembers and calls your name. Every rhythm, a thread we weave in the fabric of life. We all believe.
Some owl species can survive in urban environments, nesting in buildings or parks.
Voices arise with the stars up above. Under the baobab tree, we sing of love.
Owl hearts beat slower during flight than other birds to save energy. The Indian eagle owl has striking orange eyes and loud territorial calls.
Under the baobab
Owls have no teeth. Their beak and digestive system do all the work.
found. The moon whispers secrets to the darkened sky. We dance with the wind as the night passes by. Feel the beat, feel the fire in your veins. Bongos echo
In many Native American traditions, Owls are guardians of the spirit world.
Stars up above, under the baobab tree, we sing of love. We sing of love.
Owls are born with their eyes closed and completely dependent on parents. Some cultures believed owls could predict the weather or death.
Gentle hum, stories of the old and the times to come. Our hands meet the drums in a sacred.
Owls' bones are light and hollow, but their heads are relatively large.
Feel the fire in your veins. Bongos echo through the hills and plains. Voices rise with the stars up above, under the baobab tree.
The eastern screech owl has a haunting, trilling call.
We sing of love.
Some owls migrate silently and follow food sources like lemmings or voles.
The earth remembers and calls your name. Every rhythm a thread we weave. In the fabric of life we all feel the beat, feel the fire.
Owls have very few facial muscles, which is why their expressions don't change.
Voices rise with the stars up above, under the baobab tree. We sing of love.
The longest-lived owl in captivity lived over 25 years.
Feel the beat, feel the fire in your veins.
Where shadows creep.
In ancient Rome, seeing an owl was considered a bad omen.
The dark shall keep in whispers low. The night shall sing.
Owls have feathered legs and feet for warmth and protection during hunts.
Broken wing. The earth it groans. The river sighs.
A juvenile owl's first feathers are soft and not waterproof, making them vulnerable.
They light the light. A thousand dreams have turned to dust, yet still
Owls are often the top predator in their food chain.
I trust. Oh, shadows deep embrace my soul.
The little owl, Athene noctua, appears in ancient Greek coins and art.
Take me home. The echoes hum.
The call of the barn owl is a shriek, not a hoot.
In shadows deep beneath the moon.
The tawny owl can see UV light, helping it find urine trails of small mammals.
From ancient stone, its voice like wind, a hollow
The Malay eagle owl has bold ear tufts and a booming voice.
they bow, the winds they wail, a haunted hymn, a fragile tale.
Owl feathers are often used illegally in folk medicine and rituals.
Seek the
Some owls pretend to be dead when captured to avoid further threat.
Deep embrace my soul, consume the light, and
Owls do not chew, they rip prey with sharp beaks and talons.
the echoes hum a mournful tune in shadows deep beneath the moon.
Owl chicks often fight for food, and the strongest may outcompete siblings.
Beneath the moon where shadows creep, a silent vow the dark shall keep. In whispers low the night shall
Owls can use light posts or fences as perches to scan for prey.
broken wing. The earth it groans, the rivers sigh. The stars are cold, they light the light.
The mottled wood owl of India has a rolling laugh-like call.
To dust, yet still I wonder, still I trust. Oh, shadows deep embrace my soul, consume
Some owls hiss, click, or snap their beaks to warn off predators.